As you can hear this thing, it is a recording. Every time my Zoom meeting, it is a record. Understand? So let me check why I don't see any participant in here, so that I can be sure that okay, this the Zoom meeting is now. You understand? The Zoom meeting is now. And we see in this group, I don't have a lot of people who are joining the meeting, but let me, even on my mentorship, I think I just send people sure to the tree. So that's how things will be going. So if there is no one who's maybe there is no one who's joining in here, no problem. I'll be going through the meeting because of you. So yesterday we had a very nice class. We had a very profitable class part, or we had a very fruitful class part. I wasn't recording. So now I'm just going to record and leave the Zoom meeting running. Either people are in there or not. I'm just going to do what? I'm just going to be running. Okay, let me first take my laptop and near me. So if I remember, the mic of the Zoom meeting is on the computer. Oh, I know. So I'm gonna connect my laptop so that it can near me just for the mic, just for the mic. You understand? For the microphone of Zoom meeting, because of you'll find that people they don't hear anything on that side. But here the mic now is near me. Let me even open it from the side so that people they can be able to hear me on the Zoom meeting. Means for now you can even open the mic and ask something. You understand? You can even open the mic and ask something. Screen sharing has stopped because of what? Because of the connection of the screen. Yeah, and then everything now is nice. You understand? So now I'm just going to start with saying now we are going to learn how the strategy of Forex or binary work. You understand? How the Forex strategy or binary work. You understand? So how do this trading things, we call it a strategy work. So in here, I'm just going to the 24 hours time frame. I'm going to repeat the same thing that I was doing with a step index yesterday. Remember yesterday I was teaching you on the step index, but now I'm going to be focusing on the volatility 75. You understand? So this is our volatility 75 screen or chart, and then we are going to check what is going on, what is happening in here. Remember my strategist said you must start to analyze on the 24 hours time frame because of you want to hold for a long period of time. But I don't mean that everyone but must be scalping. You can even do I don't mean everyone must be swing trading, but you can also do scalping with the same strategies that you are going to use it fast. You are going to close your trades fast, and your stop loss is going to be hitting fast because of that even almost most of the time the stop loss is going to hit fast because of we are risking small to make big. So I'm going to just show you this strategy, and is for scalping and swinging. You understand how to swing with this strategy, how to scalp with this strategy. This is the 24 hours time frame. I'm going to start by doing what? I'm just going to start by showing you how to find the support and the resistance. As you can see, the market was going down like this. You understand? From here to here, the market is showing you that I'm going down. Even if it's not starting from there, or you are not counting from starting from that side, you can count starting from here, but you still see that the market is still going down. At least if you can make a table and see how your table is falling. You understand? When your table is falling, it will show you that it's either the table is falling down. I agree the table has the legs. So if those legs, it must be they must balance the I don't know, you call it the surface or anything for the table. You understand? You'll see the table will fall on the one side, but there is somewhere where you'll find that your table is stable because of like you'll find that the market is not consolidating or doing anything. It's going straight one side. You understand? It's going straight one side from here to here. As you can see, the table is straight. It means the market is consolidating. This is where you're going to find your support and resistance. So now I'm going to show you how to find your support and resistance. The table should be support. The support, the surface, the resistance. The table, the on top of the table must be a resistance because of like the table must be like this. You understand? This is the, I don't know, call it the surface, or like I don't know in English what do you call it, you understand? But it's the surface of the table. So now you're going to find the support and resistance of this chart. You understand? I agree we are in the 24 hours time frame. Remember now we are not talking about the entry level because of entry level need a risk management, and risk management can be sorted in the 24 hours time frame. We have to be in a smaller time frame to be able to do our risk management, you understand? So now we are going to do what? We are going to check where the market is consolidating, and especially, but like mostly we check where the market is currently running, you understand? Because of like we are not going to trade here or here. We are going to trade here. Even if you find that you don't see some of the people, they're telling me that we can't see other side of the screen. Don't worry, I will try to remember that this side you can't see because of you see me, and then I will be playing on this side, you understand? So here I'm going to do what? I'm going to show you when you see the market like this, someone will come and say, no, because of I see the support and the resistance starting from this other side on the left-hand side. But what about here? How do I find my support and the resistance? You can still find your support and resistance starting from here. You understand? You will just choose where to find your support and the resistance. You understand? So you're going to just do what? You're just going to draw here because of this is where it is important where you are going to trade. Because like you want to find the next move of the market. So in order to find the next move of the market, you are going to work where the market it is. It's either you're going to find sell or buy somewhere here. You understand? You are going to find them here. So, but you check at least recently, maybe let's say you can check yesterday what the market was doing. Maybe you can check last week what the market was doing. So that's how it works. Don't say no because of not always I check 5 days ago. You have to check 5 days ago always. No, you can even check what the market was doing yesterday, what the market was doing last week. But as long as you are in the 24 hours time frame, you will be safe when you go to the smaller time frame. So let's go on this one, and I want to show you here is our market, and we see that the market here it showed us that it was coming from this level. Let me do it like this. It was coming from this level, you understand? It was coming from this level here, and it was going down. From here down where it started to go up a little bit, up and then down and then up. And when you check on this, whatever it is happening here, you check where the market is moving, like the market is doing this kind of behavior going where, you understand? You'll see that, okay, here I can see the first one, it was up there. It was here, you understand? The first hit was here, coming from here to this level, and then from this level to this one, from this level to this one. As you can see, that means the market is going down because of these bubbles are doing what? Are getting created while the market is going down, you understand? Even in here, because of the market here, you can see it started by consolidating. At the end of the day, the market is up, and then now it shows the confirmation that the market is about to go down. Now we got a retest. I think it's yesterday, and then the market is going to go down. Remember, this market can play whatever it plays from here, but it will end up respecting this. And whenever it's going to respect this, because of in the bigger time frame, the market is going down, it's going to be selling more than before. You understand? When it goes down, it's going to sell more than here. You understand? It's going to sell more than here. The same way or the same thing that happened around here. From here, it went down, and then from here on this part, on this level, you can see the market started to go down. Here, the market retested and go up. When it goes down, you can see it left this level and come to create another level here. You see, so that the market is still going down, you understand? So now we see that the market is consolidating on the 24 hours time frame. So we are going to just check from here. We are going to check from here, or okay, from here, the market started to go down until this point. You understand? I'm going to just write them as A, B, C, A. Let me do the capital letter A. You can see here, this is where the first market hit, and then B. Then the market from B, it tried to go to A, which is C. It tried to go to A. And then from C, it tried to go to B, which is going to be D. You can see the market is going like this. It's starting to consolidate. And if you can check, even if, let me just write with numbers because of yay, I don't know alphabets. I told you that I can't even count from January to December. I'll get confused because of my mind can't be able to carry those 12 months. This is 4. Yeah. So from 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5 around here. And then 5, the market was trying to be on what? This one, it must be 5. It was trying to do the same or to play on the level of 3. You understand? From 5, the market is trying to be on the level of 4 or 2. You understand? From 5, when it goes to 6. Now the market is going to what? To 7. It went to 7. As you can see here, from 7, the market is going down to what? To 6. It is trying to go to 6, but we are not sure if the market is gonna get to 8. You understand? It's trying to do the levels of 2, 4, or 6, but you are not sure which one is gonna be the one that the market will respect. You understand? So I want to show you when you are not sure, because of like other people, they will be asking me saying, no, I see the market was doing what? Was going up. You understand? Let me check what's that thing. I think it's gonna be, yeah, the red one must be at the side. They will say, no, what about this space, this red space? Because of the market started to go up and went to 7, but it left me with this space before it can touch even the level of, let me use the horizontal line. It turned before it can touch 8, it can touch the level of 6, 4, and 2. You understand? They will be asking something like this and say, no, we are getting confused. We don't know what to do, how to do these things. You understand? So in here, you see this space from where the market it is. You understand? Where the price started to go up until to the 8. We call it a risk management, but that risk management is not it's not performed in the 24 hours time frame, only in the smaller time frame, because of if you perform this risk management on the 24 hours time frame, you're gonna find yourself losing money, a lot of money that you don't even know how did you lose the money, because of in the smaller time frames, a lot of things are happening, like the retest and other things are happening, but you can't be able to see them in the 24 hours time frame, because of the 24 hours time frame is counting bigger times. You understand? It's counting bigger times. And when they're talking about maybe the market going up, remember that in the market going up, there will be buy and sell. You understand? The buyers, they will be there, the sellers will be there. But the buyers, if the market is going up, the sellers will be smaller than the buyers. The buyers, they will take over. You understand? So those things, when they're happening in the smaller time frame. You can't be able to see them in the bigger time frame. So if you want to do the risk management and then you do it in the bigger time frame, you're gonna even see the calculator. It can even tell you, because of I use the calculator, it can even tell you that no, the thing that you're doing is wrong with the same maybe lot size, something like this. You understand? So now you can see here is the consolidation, and we see what to do next. So what I'm going to do here, because of the market already gave us a retest, is something like here, and then now it's giving us the confirmation that I might sell. You understand? It says I might sell, but I'm still having two candles of buying. You understand? I will say this is a retest. This is a retest, the same as this ones that were happening here. It was going up a little bit, start to go down. So here I'm going to risk a sell, because of the bigger time frame is telling me that we are still selling. So I'm still going to prefer a sell here. You understand? So when I prefer a sell here, remember I'm still in the 24 hours time frame. You understand? So let me say the big time is 0 is 22 today. Big time. And then I go to at least maybe 4 hours or anything. What pace this is written on the screen. I don't think it is not visible. Let's say VIX 75. If you can see it on the screen, it's VIX 75. As you can see here, the market is showing that it was busy retesting, going up. So the other thing that is going to kill me on this market is going to be, let me refresh the chart so that I don't make a mistake. 75. So I'm going to maybe 30 minutes time frame. I'm going to 30 minutes time frame and show you how I'm going to be analyzing on the 30 minutes time frame. Remember, the 30 minutes time frame is not gonna be the same as maybe 24 hours time frame, because of the 24 hours time frame, something like this, it doesn't show me. It does show me only two candles going up. You understand? So these two candles, when they go up, you can't be able to see them properly. You can't be able to see them properly. You will just in here, you will see them properly, how the market is going. Something like, let me show you how my strategy have again. Even here, it is clear that you can do your risk management very nicely. So I can draw like this. This is where you can scalp. Remember my strategy, as I told you, that it has scalping inside. You understand? You can scalp with this flag. When the market goes down, you sell, you take a profit, you buy, you take a profit, you sell, something like this, while scalping in this kind of flag. You understand? You can still do what? You can still scalp in this kind of a flag. You understand? So in here, I'm going to say this is where the market, it might start to go down. So I want to have a very nice risk management. When I want to have a very nice risk management, I'm going to say, okay, where the market started, I'm going to say it's my stop loss, where the market started to go down. Remember, we don't have the same account, or maybe same whatever we call same equity. You understand? So Mina, I can put my stop loss here. And then when that doesn't mean if I put my stop loss here and our balance are not the same, you can put it here. And then my entry level, it can be here. And remember, this is the 30 minutes time frame. This is where I can do what? I can do my risk management. So when you can't be able to do a risk management in here, you can just have to go to maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So I'm going to do the minimum one that I like to do every time, that I know that you might be risking maybe $2 or $5 or whatever it is, but it's less than $10. You understand? So my risk management is going to be here. Let me do like this. Remember, in the maybe what we call in the 30 minutes time frame, look at where my stop loss is sitting. But if I come to the smaller time frame, which is 5 minutes, my stop loss is going to be here. So means our stop loss is going to be different because of we're not on the 15 minutes. If you are using the same strategy, your stop loss is gonna be in the 30 minutes time frame, your stop loss is gonna be bigger than mine, but in the 5 minutes it's gonna be smaller than mine because of I can see or there is a wave on the 5 minutes time frame. But when I go to the 30 minutes time frame, it is not a wave, it's just a candle, you understand? So that's why mostly I advise you to use the smaller time frame so that your risk management become low. So I'm going to just do like this is the entry level, this is the entry level, and then this is the stop loss. And mostly you know that you use this kind of things. I can even draw, I can even use this thing because of this one is simple, it shows us everything. So where I'm going to take a profit, remember what is happening on the bigger time frame. This was a wave. I can take a profit here. It doesn't matter where I'm going to take a profit, but taking a profit, you will see where you can take a profit. And then this is my chart and my analysis. This is my risk management. And then let me show you how to calculate the risk management. If you never did the things, let me check my phone here and show you the things. If I never showed you before, let me show you. This is my website. I will just share the link in the group. This one is the admin side. As you can see here. And then you don't have to even log in. You see, this is the calculator that I'm using to calculate indices. And then I come back here. I open the indices calculator. I'm showing you how to calculate your risk. This is the calculator. It will be like this. And then I'm going to take all the coordinates and other things. Where's the chart? Yeah, here's the chart. I'm going to take all these coordinates. I'm going to show you this one. It will help you to know which lot size you must use because of there is somewhere where you have to put your lot size and your coordinates. You put the coordinates and then you put your lot sizes. Here, I'm going to put the price. My price is 375632,15 is the entry, and then the stop loss is gonna be 79080,69, and then we go into the take profit 3889369. It's not this one, it's 388,46. Yeah, now we are done putting our coordinates of this kind of a setup. Now we want to know how much we can use to risk this setup. You understand? If we go to the stop loss, we don't have to lose the whole account. So we are going to put a stop loss, a lot size of the minimum one is 0.001. As you can see here, you are risking $3.45 to make $38.89. I'm very, very, very sure people who are in the Zoom meeting, they are watching and they are learning, you understand? And this video, I'll just share with you very soon. Remember, as it said, it is recording. I'm recording this video. And then you can see here, your risk is only $3.45 to make almost $40 because of its $38. You understand? So with the lot size of 0.001. So if you follow this setup or this signal, and then you're going to just lose $3 if you use this kind of lot size. So if you are opening maybe 3 trades, just multiply them by 3, just knowing that you're going to lose 3.45 per trade. You understand? So let's check if you have at least $100. When you have $100, is now you know that if you take this trade, you are risking $17.24. You understand? To make $194 means you're gonna be having maybe something like $294 if this thing it goes to the TP. But if it goes to the stop loss, means you're going to minus $17.424 on your equity, you understand, of $100. But if you can take this account with $15 and then you open 0.005 and then you take this signal or this setup, you're gonna lose the whole account before you can even hit the stop loss, because of this lot size is not good for your account of $15. You understand? Agree when you will be looking at that, oh, you're gonna make $194, then that's where you are high risking. So many people, they come and pay for the signals or mentorship, and then they say, no, let me go for something like 0.005. If the market doesn't go your way, and then you go to lose the account before you can do what? You can even hit the stop loss. So let's say it's other people who are using maybe something like thousands of dollars, you understand? You must always risk low. Someone who's using, even the person who's using $100 can take this setup and do what? Let me even save this setup because of what we call vol small 22. Okay, and then let me save this and send it to the group. Let me send it to the group. Here it is. If you take this setup and then with $100, still you're going to lose $34. You understand? As you can see, it's $34.49. And then you are going to make, if you hit the TP, you are going to make $388. You see, and it is very paying. Just imagine you take your $100 or maybe, yeah, your $100 or $60 or $70, and then you enter for this signal, and then it goes well, and it goes to the TP, and then you got your maybe something like $388. Something is something big, you understand? So here I think it can be people like Amadok Tanyana, so they can take 0.05 with their $500. At least if you can have $500, because of the risk here is 172. You can't use $200 because of you're left with $18, which is, it is not good. So in here you're going to make 1,944. Yes, always is going to be a big a big reward, but doesn't mean you have to just risk it all, because of you'll regret and then you'll quit in forex. Here it comes as who have a lot of money to risk. You understand? I can say no, because of I have my $1,000, I'm going to enter 0.1, and this 0.1 I'm going to be risking $344, and then I'm going to make $3,889. You understand? So I'll be taking this lot size and say, no, I'm safe. I'm risking 30% of my account if I have something like $1,000. Then sometimes when I say no, the market was going well last week, I can say no, I'm taking this kind of a lot size. You understand? Maybe I do have $5,000 in my account. I say no, I want to lose $1,724, and then to make only $19,446. As you can see, when you risk high, you're gonna get the high reward. But remember about the equity, you don't have to just say, no, I'm risking high, but you find that your equity is down. You can't be having $2,000 and then you take 0.05. It's gonna chew you like I don't know, like chippies or maybe grass. You understand? So you have to go for your lot sizes that are fitting your account while you are checking on the setup, because of, you can see here, anytime it can hit here, because of here it is too close, but on the TP it is very far. It can take time to hit the TP, but to hit the stop loss it won't take time, you understand? So it's not audible this side. I think it's you must press the mic button so that you can hear me, because of on this side I can see that it's audible. The sound is going and the screen is sharing, you understand? So it will be on your side. But if it's not audible, don't worry about it. I will upload it. Just for today, I will upload this video after this live, you understand? So I think for today I am done with it, and then I will be live maybe later on, you understand? So I think today I'm done with the things. And if you want to join my group, the link is on the bio. You can go to my bio on TikTok. You'll be able to find the link. Let me cancel this thing. So you can see, let me switch to this kind of group, and then share. The link was in the bio for joining the group. I can see other people, they joined the group. It says several people joined the group. So that next time when I do have a Zoom meeting or something to offer, you can be able to catch me. Watch out for our okay, this one is not for us. So I'm gonna be doing what? I'm gonna be out, and I'm gonna be there later. You understand? I'm gonna be there later. And remember to join the group so that you can get the what? You can get the updates. So guys, let me just take this Zoom meeting and save it and share it in the group. I'm gonna take it and share it, then save it